$3 million in flood claims. That is what FEMA says it has received, or it did receive last year in Palm Beach County alone.
Now, as we approach the height of hurricane season, local insurance agents say they're being flooded with questions about whether you need flood insurance if you don't live in a high-risk zone. Our Sabira Rayford on what the experts are recommending tonight so you can protect your home and your savings. Sabira?
Here at Palm Beach Shores, the area is divided. Now, some of it is considered a high-risk flood zone, while other parts are not considered a high-risk flood zone. But regardless, FEMA and emergency management are saying you should protect yourself. Peggy Nagel doesn't mind the rain.
It is raining right now, but it's draining.
She's lived on Blossom Lane for a while now.
Since I was 3 years old, and so that's about 62 years.
In that time, she's watched how storms impact this area.
At the very lowest end of the street, there has been puddling and sometimes standing water for a few days.
But just a few feet down at Peggy's house, she says you won't see flooding, even though she steps away from the intracoastal.
I'm not too terribly worried about flooding.
But FEMA says she should be. It says 25% of home insurance claims come from areas that are not in a high-risk zone for flooding.
When the rain occurs in Florida, it comes down very heavy.
Teresa Hateman has worked as an insurance agent for 30 years. She says lately she's noticed more homeowners calling her office asking about flood insurance.
Because of the Houston flood disaster and also up in Jacksonville when that flood occurred. So people are very concerned about flood insurance right now.
She says it doesn't take long to sign up, but she warns that there is a 30-day approval period. She too encourages her clients both in high and low risk areas to get covered.
Although in Florida, even if you're in the low risk, you still are at a chance of having a flood occur at your home.
Now, agents tell me the cost of flood insurance varies depending on what zone you are in, but they say that there are cheaper options for renters. Reporting live in Palm Beach County, Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.